guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing another makeup look for you guys, so let's get right into this video. So as you guys might notice, my hair, I cut it. I went on and trimmed it down because the stuff was curling up, and I was like, I ain't got time to be putting all this product on it because it's thick and curly. I'm looking outside, y'all. So also let me apologize about the noise, you know, the cars. But if you want to check out this video, I did a cutting videos for beginners, so you can go check it out. That's the last video I uploaded. So we are going to be doing a cute look, just like, I think I'm going to work with like a burnt orange today because I'm going to be wearing orange. So I'm going to first start by moisturizing my face. Yo, it's so, I don't know, like, what? It's just so loud. And I woke up and I was like, I woke up this morning feeling like, do I even feel like getting out of bed? I don't have class. But then I looked at my favorite Instagram page for inspiration and I got it. My favorite Instagram page is the Female Hustlers. It's just goal oriented and it just gets me. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Okay guys, so now I did my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the Nomad by Juvia palette. And it's just because it's a perfect burnt orange up in there. So I'm gonna put this on my lids, and I already set my lids with my concealer and my powder. And I gotta be careful because I don't want this to get in my black shirt. This eyeshadow is so smooth. So you can get this palette for like $10. I think like actually $15 at Ulta. So I feel like I talk about these cars all the time. And guys, I don't know what it is. Them things are annoying as hell. But on the other hand, the color is really smooth and really cute. And it really goes to my hair. That's a plus. I actually really like my hair color like this. I'm gonna blend this out, guys. So I'm just adding some brown to this eyeshadow, y'all, just because the orange is so light. I wanted to like really bring some depth into it and make it darken just a little bit because I thought it was too bright without it. You know me, I would easily wear one color. That would be no thing, but I think just adding a little, just darkening because my outfit was going to be like a dark orange with black because I was wearing my dress over my black shirt. So I just wanted it all to match, but this also just helps to tone it down since the color was so light. So I really like how it turned out. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to add my eyeliner, my liquid eyeliner. Y'all know me, liner isn't that important unless I'm not wearing lashes because liner, my eyelashes cover everything. So I just put it on here. Sometimes I have to redo it. Sometimes I make it too thick. Sometimes I make it too thin. Y'all, I'm like not the best with liner, but I be feeling myself, so I just do what I gotta do. It all covers it anyway. Eyes, I'm doing my eyeliner, so I'm gonna add my foundation, which is 355 Fit Me Maybelline foundation. Been using this foundation for so long, y'all. It's like I still need to find another one. But if you want a good one that is actually affordable and that do good work, this is it. So I'm gonna just blend this around my face. So here I'm blending, y'all. If something's happening, you just don't expect nothing to happen until it do. So I'm over here blending, and then it gets in my eye. And I tried to blow it off, and I'm like, okay, I can keep blending. That's not too bad. I'm blinking, and then my eye get cloudy. So now I had to go get a paper towel and just like stop this. And just like that, I'm back, y'all. It took no time just to get that out of my eye, but we keep it moving. And now I'm just blending it, and now I'm gonna add my concealer afterwards. I'm going to do my concealer, guys. I got my Fawn and my Toffee Concealer Full Coverage Pro LA Girl. That was a handful, I'll say. And we are just going to blend this all together. So we almost done with this video. I'm just blending my concealer, which I always use a full coverage. It's thick and it covers everything. So no matter how much you use this, you will cover your eyes. This is Pro LA Girl Concealer from Ulta. Now that I'm done blending, I'm going to go and set this. Set my face with my powder, and I need to be careful so I don't get this powder everywhere. I'm now going to contour the outsides of my face, guys, with my Ulta contour kit, and I'm going to go around the edges of my face. It's just what I do. I don't normally do like a whole routine. I just do the same thing. Okay, I do that horribly. I just don't really feel like, I don't think I have to do all like too much. So now I'm going to go in with the same eyeshadow. I'm actually going to go with the brown under my eye, guys. The brown I used from the beginning with my eyeshadow. I'm going to put that on the outside or the under my eye, on my eyelid. So now just adding the color to my under eye, guys. And don't worry, I'm not talking about nothing. I'm legit, I think I was talking about people outside. I was like, why do people just keep walking by and driving by? I'm using my Glow in Grease palette. I cannot wait. I really want to go to Greece, y'all. These palettes with like the places like Bali just make me want to go. So I'm going to use my Santorini palette, Santorini color. It's a really just like a basic, not too bright. And I have beautiful cheekbones, and I like to put blush on them to make them really show. Just like that. So, on that note, I am going to finish this look. Y'all know what I do. I'm going to do my mascara, eyelashes, lip gloss, earring, and I will see you guys when I'm done. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I really went simple, but just like a little color. It's like really hard because it's on my lid and it's under my eyelashes. I'm wearing my leopard dress over my shirt. That's why I wanted the orange with it. And you can see I added my lashes, mascara. I didn't do any gold in the corner because I didn't want to do too much. Just wanted the basic look that was really cute and really simple. Just not doing too much because I feel like the gold would have made it pop definitely. But I was like, I'm okay with that because I got my gold earrings that helped. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my last video of me cutting my hair and showing you guys how to cut hair for beginners. And I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. Follow my blog at Brownskinndgirl. I will be adding this look and all the details. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.